Stealth Orders. The Stealth Order app is designed to enable traders to hide entry and exit levels from the market and offers a smart and flexible way to trade. Setting it up. To get started, simply drag and drop the Stealth Orders from the Expert Advisors list in MetaTrader 4 Navigator onto a chart. Make sure Allow Live Trading and Allow DLL Imports boxes are checked, and that auto trading is turned on. We are now ready to trade using the Stealth Orders. Displaying the Stealth Orders. You can position the Stealth Orders anywhere on your desktop or on the chart. If you want to pin it to the chart, simply click on the top left icon and select Pin Unpin, and then drag the Stealth Orders box to the size you want. Overview. Instead of placing pending orders, the Stealth Order app automatically buys or sells at the current market price when a specified entry level is reached. There is no pending order in the market which other participants can see. Similarly, we can have a stealth stop loss or take profit which sends a close instruction when an exit level is hit. Stealth Entries. Stealth entries are the equivalent of limit and stop entry orders. Instead of placing a buy limit into the market at a selected value, the app waits for the price to hit that value and then places the buy order. To create an order, we click on the new Stealth Entry button. Choose the market symbol. Enter the lot size. Choose the type from the drop-down. We will choose a buy limit. The entry price as pips or a fixed level. Set the stop loss and take profit parameters. Specify the maximum spread we're willing to trade with. Then click Save. If we ask for an entry price that has already been hit, the software will warn us before creating a trading instruction, which is then processed immediately. We can also combine stealth entries into one cancels all OCA groups, where remaining entries in the same group are removed once the first one has been triggered. For more information, please see the user guide provided with the app. Stealth Exits. Stealth exits are the equivalent of stop losses and take profits. They close individual open trades when a price is hit or when the trade's net profit reaches a threshold. We can only create a stealth exit if there is already an open position on our account. As we can see, we have three closing options. Close the whole ticket. Close a percentage of the open trade, for example 50%. Or close a specific quantity. We can alter the stop loss and take profit parameters as follows. As a fixed price. As a number of pips from the current market price. As a cash amount. The trade is closed if its net profit hits this threshold. In addition, a stop loss can also be set as a trailing stop in pips. For more details about the trailing stop function, please refer to the detailed user guide. Market symbol exits. Symbol exits close all the open trades for a single market symbol when a price target is hit, or when the combined net profit on all the open trades for the market symbol reaches a trigger value. We create a new market symbol exit on the Symbols tab using the New Symbols Exit button. We can either choose an individual symbol or we can select all symbols from the bottom of the list. All symbols is intended for use with filtering and lets us create an exit which, for example, acts on all long orders for all symbols. For more details of all symbols and filtering, please read the user guide. A symbol exit can either close its trades when the price reaches a specific price or a specific profit or loss. We can choose what percentage of each open trade to close. We can choose whether the symbol exit also deletes pending orders. If turned on, this will remove any pending orders in our trading platform and also any stealth entries. With the repeat function, we can choose that a symbol exit is not removed after it has been triggered and is instead kept on the list and keeps acting whenever its trigger is hit. We can edit an existing item by clicking on its title. Account exits. We create new account exits on the Account tab using the New Account Exit button. Account exits close all the open trades on our account, plus optionally pending and stealth orders when a threshold is reached on the account, for example floating profit and loss in loss of more than $500 or margin usage greater than $2,000. We can use an account exit to monitor any of the following: floating profit and loss, equity, free margin, used margin. We can choose whether an account exit closes pending orders as well as open trades. Selecting this option will close all pending orders in our trading platform and also remove any stealth entries. We can edit an existing item by clicking on its title. Log. The Log tab shows the activity of the stealth orders. It records all actions since the app was most recently started, plus any activity from previous sessions which happened within the last 2 days. We can download the log as a TSV file, which we can open in Excel or similar software using the Download button at the bottom of the list. Caution. This invisibility comes with 2 important warnings. Stealth orders tend to generate more slippage, though this can have a positive as well as a negative impact. While a normal pending order or stop loss or take profit will be processed even if our trading software is not running or the internet connection goes down, stealth orders are only processed if the app is running and connected to the broker. To protect against this, we can set a real stop loss or take profit at slightly different levels to the stealth positions as well. For example, if we are long euro-dollar and the current price is 109.86, we can set up a real stop loss in the market at 108 using our trading platform and also a stealth stop loss at 109 using the app. If anything goes wrong, our position will be protected at 108. As we have seen, stealth orders offers traders the ability to hide entry and exit orders from the market and to trade more smartly with better tools and better information. For further information, please read the detailed user guides provided with the Stealth Order app.